Hey Divi Nation, welcome to a brand new installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. And this week we have for you a brand new Yoga Instructor Layout Pack we think you're going to enjoy. This Yoga Instructor Layout Pack is organized to deliver all the wonderful necessities of a yoga website. You can easily showcase yoga classes, private sessions, memberships, and much, much more. And each page is packed with tranquil design elements that fit the niche in a fresh way. It even has a dedicated page for showcasing yoga classes and also a pricing page. All right, join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new layout pack on your own website. Now, before you can start adding pre-made layouts from within the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi, Theme Options, then click the Updates tab. There you can enter your username and API key and save changes. After that, you should have access to all of the pre-made layouts without any problems. Now you're ready to start creating your new pages and then add those corresponding pre-made layouts to each one of those pages. To start, go over to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title, and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the option to choose a pre-made layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, scroll down and find the new Yoga Instructor Layout Pack and select it. On the right, you'll see a preview of all of the different layouts included in the pack. Go ahead and find the one that you like, and then click Use this layout. And once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to publish it. And you want to continue this same process to create all of your different pages and then add those corresponding layouts to each of those pages. And once all your pages have been created and all your layouts have been added, you're ready to create a new primary menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Give your menu a name and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all the different pages you've created. Go ahead and select all of them and then add them to the menu. Under your menu structure area, you can organize your menu items however you like. And then don't forget to set the display location as primary menu and then save the menu. After that, you're ready for your last step, which is to create a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your home page displays, go ahead and select a static page. And then for the home page, select the home page with the corresponding home page layout and then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the new Yoga Instructor Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack. Don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future freebies we'll be throwing your way. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.